It is July 8th, 2013, approximately 1840. There's a police vehicle blocking access to the DPP, and over in the distance, swarms of people all looking down to the valley. Why? There's your answer. The whole highway's flooded. That's fucking crazy. It is. There's the southbound lanes. Absolutely underwater. Guys over there. They're just trying to get through in vain. Let's see this one go through. And here's the northbound side. Worse than the south. Car that's stuck, and a couple more that is stuck over there.
Don't run me over. Don't run me over, I'm in the video.
This commute is really going to suck.